It was a beautiful morning as my fellow youth corpers and I, as a way of contributing to our community, paid a courtesy visit to Junior Secondary School Area 1 Abuja. Our mission was to enlighten them about drug abuse and influence of drug abuse in the society. Hey, it's Queen Grant. I love singing and making videos. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and click on notification. Follow my social media handle through the links below. So this is David, and this is
Fatima.
And what are we doing today?
Okay, we're going on an outreach for drug awareness. As NAFDAC CDS, we're charged with the responsibility of doing something good for our community. So this is basically it.
While we waited for the students, I observed they were rehearsing for an upcoming event, and so I joined them. I also met Emmanuel, who informed me they were rehearsing for their inter-house sports. Make sure you stick to the end to hear what the head boy had to say concerning our courtesy visit.
Good afternoon, my name is Oluwatosin, Babatunde Oluwatosin. We're talking about sensitization of drug abuse, the effects and drug addiction to them.
My name is David Sunday Ochaja. We're actually here to sensitize the younger ones in secondary school level about drug abuse and how to keep themselves and abstain from drug abuse.
We were divided into groups, and each group was assigned to a class to enlighten them about drug abuse and influence of drug abuse. We'll be right back.
I'm a satellite dish engineer. I do DSTV installation, GoTV installation, StarTime installation. I also do free-to-air installation, new installation, and your maintenance. You can call the number below for your maintenance and new installation. Thank you.
Drug abuse is the excessive use of psychoactive drugs such as alcohol, pain medications, or illegal drugs.
Very, very rampant type of drug abuse is self-medication. How many of you guys know what self-medication is? Okay, as simple as Panadol, as simple as malaria drug. How much is Panadol? How much is malaria drug? As simple as it is, you can take it and your life can just go like that. For the people who menstruate in this class, you know that sometimes they tell you, oh, you can take a drug, you can take maybe ibuprofen or even Panadol for your period pain. Yes. But then, no matter how overwhelming it is, do not overdose on ibuprofen or Panadol because your life will just sleep like that. For those of you who actually want to have babies, ibuprofen is not good for you. For those of you who have ulcer, ibuprofen is not good. It's not your friend.
Not using self-medication. Self-medication is very, very bad. So whenever you are feeling headache, feeling any symptom of malaria, just go straight to your doctor. Please don't self-medicate. What did I say?
Don't self-medicate.
Causes of drug abuse are people who are addicted to a drug are more likely to get an infectious disease. It can lead to both short-term and long-term mental and physical health problems. It can lead to death, and so on. The students paid good attention as they were given opportunity to ask questions.
For someone like me, at times I'm crying for no reason, but I don't know why I'm crying, but I'm just crying. It's normal for you to go through. It's very normal. You cry. Crying is a good way to even express yourself.
We enjoyed our time with them and we didn't forget to give them gifts. How to prevent drug abuse? The best way to prevent an addiction to a drug is not to take the drug at all. Another way is do not go back to the neighborhood where you used to get your drugs. Lastly, get help immediately if you use the drug again.
I am Mrs. Modlin Okafor.
How do you feel as we have visited your school today?
So nice. We enjoyed your stay and we are proud of you. Don't stop telling us it. It's very wonderful.
Thank you so much for inviting us, for bringing us here. Thank you so much, ma.
We appreciate you. God bless you.
thank you for sticking to the end. The head boy gave a heartwarming speech about our courtesy visit.
Actually, I'm here to appreciate you for your good works, the topic that you shared with us, for spending your time to come to this place to come and share that kind of topic to us. Is very, very necessary and important. I feel like one day I'll reach this place and I must serve my country like you people do. So I'm always encouraged anytime I see you people, especially when you are coming to my school like this. I'm so encouraged. I'm very, very encouraged. So and may God strengthen you people anytime you are doing these things. Okay, thank you very much.
We went to junior secondary school for us to inform them about drug abuse. We're excited that we came here. The teachers are excited. The students are excited. I am excited. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, then you enjoy my NYSC experience video, so click on it right now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on notification, like and make your comments below. See you soon.